Hello everyone and namaste. Welcome to my channel Cooking with Chilli. My name is Chilli. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it and comment it as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. And today I'm going to make eggplant potato curry. So let's begin. Here is the ingredients. First is eggplant, which is I cut it in pieces like this, and 2 large potato which is cut it in dice, and chopped coriander and mustard seed and cumin and coriander powder, chili powder, salt and turmeric powder, and chopped ginger, chopped onion, chopped garlic, some oil and chopped tomatoes. So let's start. Here the cooker is hot now. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to add half teaspoon of mustard seed, and once it crackles, and I'm going to add other things. Okay, so now I'm going to add, it's crackling now, chopped onion, going to add chopped ginger and chopped garlic, and stir it till 1 minute. As you can see, the color is changing. It's turning in a brown. So now I'm going to add all the dry masala. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of coriander and cumin powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, and salt 1 teaspoon, and just stir it for 30 to 40 seconds. Now I'm going to add chopped tomatoes and let it cook for 3 minutes. So it's been 3 minutes. Now, as you can see, tomato is cooked. So now I'm going to add potato, also I'm going to add eggplant, here I used 200 gram of eggplant. So let it cook for another 2 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to add half a cup of water. And now I'm going to put the lid on and let it whistle come. 5 to 6 whistle. So okay, now we can check. So So now you can see the eggplant is cooked properly, and you can just mash it a little bit like this, and at last you can put chopped coriander. Okay, it's now ready and it's ready to serve. Okay, here is eggplant and potato curry. You can eat with a roti, paratha, or with the rice as well. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Thank you for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos, share it, and you can comment it as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. So see you next time. Bye bye.